Getting a piercing is like the government. Nobody needs it. It's very painful, but today it's going to happen anyways. So, in the last video we buy 3 cows, Lily, Jasmine and Rose. And today we buy some jewelry for them because we love them so much and all girls love a jewelry. And that's what's going to happen in this video. So that's the ring that we're going to use. You can open it like this, and then that's the needle, 12 millimeter needle. It's both stainless, so they would not get infected, and it's also not that brutal than just using a wood. If you have seen the last video that we take, we put a ring we make a piercing on our bull Maximo, but instead of a clean stainless needle we just use a sharp wood and a rope, but it's not that clean, and we think it's better to use a stainless needle and also a stainless ring. So I'm getting the next cow now, and we're going to make them a piercing. First we're going to tie them near the tree. Going to tie the head so that they would not move too much. Come here.
No, like that.
So now she cannot move a lot. So now we're going to make the hole. Come on, don't move. Ah, very brave. Okay. Now we take the ring and the needle, it has a hole. Put it inside of that. Then we can move it. Come on. And then we close it, just like that. And then we secure it with a small screw.
As you can see right now, Jules is trying to get one of that cow so that we could put a ring on it. Babe, set it free! Huy! Ginuo ko! Babe!
As you can see, it's really hard to get a cow, to handle a cow when there's not a nose ring. So having a nose ring is very important.
Secured it first, just like that.
Hey, come down.
Once there's a needle, he cannot totally move now.
We're doing it here right now because she's so strong and she's very stubborn. We cannot move her to there. So be calm, huh? Calm down.
Go. Come on. That's good.
Yeah,
Okay.
calm down, calm down. good, very brave.
Spray it.
Now we have the violet spray, the gentle violet disinfection spray.
Now let me put the rope.
And then we can put the new rope. That is the rope that the old owners put, and you see it's very painful. It's totally cutting inside of the flesh also. And
Good job.
brave,
Well
very
done.
brave. Yeah, maybe some of you think it's painful, but
Babe, we spray
that is
also
still
babe,
the best
face.
way.
We don't spray the
Okay,
face.
bring her.
Oh my goodness.
Show that one.
Yeah.
You see, that was the old rope that the previous owner of the cows put here. It caused a big wound. It's very painful for her. So putting a nose ring is much better. And now we put some violet spray to disinfect the old wound.
Put more also on her nose. On her nose. Yeah. Okay. Let her go.
Good girl.
So. Why? Oh my goodness. Dali!
Give it the ring. Good. Give me the screw.
Be. Uy, ilang.
Careful, babe. Let me do that.
Gi palos. Na. Awad pa. Where's my phone?
I have it.
Dali lang, dali lang. On the other one.
But
Tama na pa.
it will get,
Oh.
yeah, it can get stuck easily.
Hi, finally. Finally, babe.
That was a struggle. This one's the biggest and the nose is very big. I have to really use all of my power to get the needle through it.
Did you spray it?
Yes. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will give the cows some treatment. We will spray them for against the bugs and the ticks, and then we will also deworm them. So if you don't want to miss any future video like this, subscribe to this channel, leave a like and a comment if you want, and then I see you next time.